Hog dogs. Hog dogs. Yeah. Hog dogs. Come find out what the hype is all about. A savory sensation taking over the South. Hog dog, remember the name. Bacon rap glizzies taking over the game. Not your same old Frank, not your typical Coney. Not them dirty water dogs made of chicken, pork and bologna. 100% grade A beef. Five-star dining, fine dining in the streets. It's a crack on the bun, recreational fun. The addiction begins when you bite the first one. It's orgasmic, it's euphoric, it's euphoric, it's orgasmic. Have you feeling like a fiend? Always gotta have it, nothing compares. Don't mean to boast, but we got the most. Our customers love us, competitors hate us. The Grand Strand voted #1 is what you made us.